So today we will see infix to prefix conversion. Okay, so it is quite similar to the postfix conversion, but a few steps are there. So that we'll see now. How can you go ahead with? So I'll take example. Let's say I have example here: a plus b raised to c plus c multiplied by d plus e raised to f. Okay, and I want to convert this infix expression into prefix format. Okay, so first step here is what? First of all, we're supposed to reverse the expression. So you can reverse the given string. So I'll write the expression from right to left. So that will be f raised to e plus d multiply by, the bracket will remain as it is, c raised to b plus a opening bracket. Okay, in the second step what we supposed to do? In the second step we change the bracket. We change the bracket direction. So if I change here the bracket, like this is closing, opening, I'll just reverse them. So expression becomes f raised to e plus d multiply by c raised to b plus a. Okay, and now we need to convert this expression into postfix format. Okay, so now this is a task for you. This is a given infix expression. You're supposed to give me its postfix expression. Okay, all of you start working on it. So I'll solve it using now direct method. Now if you look at this expression carefully, first of all, this will get executed. F raised to e will get executed. So for this we are writing here f e raised to. Then b c raised to will get executed. So we'll be writing here now c b raised to, and this whole thing is getting added with a because this is in bracket. So that will be a plus. Okay. Then this whole thing, whole bracket is getting multiplied with d. So d is on the left, this whole answer is here, and this is getting multiplied with d. And then the result of whole thing is getting added with f raised to e. So result of those things getting added with f raised to e. So if I combine the complete expression, I'll get answer as f e raised to d c b raised to a plus multiplication plus. Now what we supposed to do? Again we supposed to write the reverse of the given string. Okay, so if I reverse the given string, I'll get here plus multiplication plus a raised to b c d raised to e f. This is our prefix expression, which is final answer. What we have did, first of all we have reversed the string, then we have exchanged the bracket, then we have generated the postfix expression for given expression. So yesterday we learned the postfix expression, and then whatever the answer we got here for postfix, we reverse that particular postfix and we get the prefix answer for it. Okay, so all of you can note down. I'll give one example for you to solve. So this is my example: a plus b multiplied by c d minus e d divided by e minus f into g into h. So I need to convert this particular string into my infix format, sorry, prefix format. So according to the logic, first of all what I'll do, I'll reverse the string. So that will be h multiply by, this bracket will remain as it is, g multiply by This bracket will remain as it is. F minus E divided by D opening bracket minus C multiply B opening bracket plus E. Now what I supposed to do, I just want to reverse the direction of brackets. Okay, so if I reverse the direction of bracket and if we rewrite the expression, I'll get here as H multiplication G multiplication F minus E divided by D first bracket complete minus C multiply by B second bracket complete plus A. Okay, so now I'll write a direct answer over here and then reverse the string if you can solve it completely. So let's see, the first thing that will execute inside this particular bracket, right? And inside the bracket, first of all, ed will get executed, so that will be ed divided by, and then this result of this will get subtracted from f, so that will be f minus, right? Then this whole bracket is getting multiplied with g, so this whole bracket is getting multiplied with g, and this c and b are getting multiplied, so that will be cb will get multiplied, and the result of this CB is getting subtracted from this whole answer. So this will be, the whole answer is this much, and this the result is this, it is getting subtracted from this, right? Then this whole answer is getting multiplied with H. So this H is here, and this whole answer is getting multiplied with H, right? And then answer of this is getting added with A. So this is whole answer is getting added with A. Now if I write in the reverse order the complete string, I'll get answer as plus A multiplication minus multiplication BC multiplication minus divided by DEFGH. Okay, this is answer. So you see, now by using direct method, how can we solve the answer for prefix? Okay, so input string given is this is input expression A plus in bracket B multiplication C minus in bracket D divided by E minus F multiplication G multiplication H. This is input string. Now I want to generate its prefix expression. So we'll use now direct method here. So here first of all this one will get executed, D divided by E. Okay, so D divided by E will be divided by DE one side, right? This will get subtracted from F, so this will get subtracted from F, right? This is complete. Okay, so we got answer here for this. Now this whole answer is getting multiplied with G. So P is there, so prefix expression operator comes first, answer of this set into G, right? Now here again B and C are getting multiplied, so here we're writing here multiplication of BC. Now here what is happening, the result of multiplication of BC, actually this whole result and the complete result of this bracket is getting subtracted from multiplication BC. So what we'll doing here, we'll be writing here minus the result of this multiplication of BC and complete result of this field. Okay, so here completes this bracket. Now this whole thing is getting multiplied with H. Okay, so we're writing here multiplication with H. Okay, and now this whole thing is getting added with A. So this is result of multiplication minus multiplication BC multiplication minus divided by DEFGH. This whole thing is getting added with A. So A plus, that is the final answer for direct answer of infix to prefix conversion. Okay, now let us go for C programming. Let's say I have given infix expression, I want to convert into the prefix format. How we'll go for it? We're writing a C function for infix to prefix conversion. See that everything will remain same the way we did it yesterday for infix to postfix format. The only difference that will be here is basically, from main we called for what? Infix to postfix. Instead of that, from main we are calling for infix to prefix function. Okay, everything will remain same, just the name of the array will change. Okay, so now I'll write here function infix to prefix. We have two character array. First is infix character array and second is post prefix character. Yesterday it was a postfix for conversion. And then we'll have to traverse the array, declare I and j as a counter. Then I want to reverse the expression. So for expressing reverse, I'll take some character array temp over here and some reversing the infix expression. I'll take infix reverse character. Now what we are doing here, first of all, very important thing, we are basically reversing the string. So we'll use for loop for I is equal to, I will start from string length of infix का string length I'll find -1 because last is null character. Then our j will start from 0, I is greater than or equal to 0. What we'll do, I minus minus j plus plus. Here we are putting in infix reverse of j is equal to infix of I. So what are doing basically here, let's say here there is one string in infix array, something like that, a plus b bracket complete multiply by c and there is a slash 0. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 whatever it is. Okay, so this will be string length -1. I will point from the c onwards. Then there is another reverse string. This is our reverse array. So j, I will go from 7 towards 0, whereas j will go from 0 towards kind of 7. So here it will be c multiplication opening bracket b plus something. So you understand the point, basically what we are doing here. Okay, and then since we are fetching character by default, here we supposed to attach. Now we need to convert that particular infix reverse into string format, so I need to attach manual here /0. Okay, so when I attach here /0, this will be done by here infix reverse of j is equal to, I'll manually attach here /0, so that infix reverse becomes now string. Okay, now next point, what we supposed to do, we supposed to reverse the directions of bracket. So how will reverse the direction of bracket? I'll write here this function for I is equal to 0, then our infix reverse string should not be equal to null. So infix reverse of I should not be equal to null character, and we'll proceed with I plus plus. And then what we'll do here, if infix reverse of I is equal to opening bracket, then what we supposed to do, then we supposed to put infix reverse at I position, we'll put here closing bracket. And then you can say else if infix reverse of I is closing bracket, what we supposed to do here, we supposed to put infix reverse of I as, at that position we'll put here opening bracket. That's it. Here completes our second for. Okay, then now basically we got here a reverse expression completely. Then here we will call for what? We will call for infix to postfix conversion, because now we got the reverse expression. So here you can give call to now after this function. Here you can give call to, like yesterday we have seen that function, infix to postfix, and here you can pass two strings. First string is infix reverse string and second string is prefix string, because we want result in prefix. Okay, so this is call for infix to postfix, infix reverse string, that is our infix expression, and prefix string where I want the result of infix in the prefix format. Okay, now after that I'll use here this part. Okay, note down till this, because after that the point is I need to again reverse the postfix expression. So the remaining part, so after this for loop, here we are calling for infix to postfix, and that we are passing here infix reverse string and our infix string. Then whatever answer we get in the infix string, actually we supposed to reverse that. So again we'll apply a for loop for I is equal to 0, j will start from string length of our prefix -1, I plus plus j minus, and then simply we'll do temp is equal to prefix of I, prefix of I is equal to prefix of j, prefix of j is equal to 10. Okay, so here completes our infix to prefix conversion. Okay, so here basically we reverse that, so our j is actually starting from one cell before null character. Okay, so this is how basically infix to prefix and infix to postfix conversion goes. Next I'll just give a hint for postfix to prefix infix conversion, and similarly prefix to infix postfix conversion, and maybe in tutorial you'll get to know in much detail. Okay. Okay, shall we go for the new screen?